This is Japanese casual style kimono called yukata.
Today, I leave Manila and head to Narita for a stopover. I'm bringing with me 12 days worth of wonderful memories from the Philippines and Bali. To see where I've been in the last 12 days, click on the iCard on the top right corner. Hi guys, I'm here at Terminal 3 of Ninoy Aquino International Airport on my way to Narita on my flight back to the US. One good thing about this airport is that they have a lot of power outlets and there are also several charging stations. I'm now in my ANA flight, and for lunch I ordered chicken breast and it came with a side of udon ham and some fruits. So I'm now here at Narita waiting for my flight to SFO, so I actually might have time to go around. Ooh, how exciting.
Konnichiwa. This is Japanese casual style kimono called yukata.
So I'm actually here waiting to try on a Japanese traditional costume. And I was given a pair of Japanese traditional socks and it's a souvenir, so it's free. I got the pair of socks that I wore as a souvenir. There's so much that goes into wearing a yukata or a kimono. There's just a lot of fabric and a lot of details that go into the outfit. And I asked about the difference between yukata and kimono. So kimono is worn during the winter time and it's made of thicker fabric, and they actually wear 3 pieces of clothing with the outer layer, while the yukata is worn during the summer and it's made of lighter fabric and it's cotton. I'm here on my ANA flight to SFO, and for breakfast I ordered pancakes and sausages. For dinner I ordered beef stroganoff. Hi guys, I'm back in SFO and I'm taking the taxi to Amtrak and I'm going to take a train. I'm here at the Amtrak station in Emeryville. I'm waiting for my train. Hi guys, I'm here at the Sacramento Valley station. I came from the Emeryville Amtrak station and it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I finally got a taste of what it's like to be on the tracks that were built as an extension from the Transcontinental Railroad. This mural is a depiction of the groundbreaking of the first transcontinental railroad. That concludes my journey to the Philippines and Bali. I hope you have been watching my adventures, and if you haven't, click on the iCard to see more of our videos from the Philippines and Bali. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below. Share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe because I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching!